Like him. Oh, you need a cigarette, right?
As a matter of fact. So good morning, everybody. This is the morning of the road trip. I'm at Becca's house, and
Hi. I cooked breakfast. I'm sweet like that.
yes, she made breakfast. There's some toast and some fruit and some other. And there's Freddie over there, and my typical rip it. Ha ha ha.
Coffee.
And she's drinking her coffee. So we're gonna eat breakfast and get ready and
hit the road here.
Hit the road and head out to our wonderful adventure to go see Amazon and
Kingsport.
Yeah, whatever.
We're going to Kingsport. I gotta look up the directions still.
I have a GPS.
That's cool. We might use
What's
that.
up, River?
It's like
Look,
damn 40 the whole way.
River's up this morning. You just missed her running towards me. That was pretty cool.
She was snuggling with me this morning.
But anywho, I'm gonna eat breakfast and y'all have a good day. Oh, later.